In this work, we deal with the hardness of safe bribery in voting. So what is bribery? It is basically a phenomenon where an external agent tries to affect election results in a dishonest manner. The briber usually pays the voters to vote according to her choice while maintaining her total expenditure less than her budget. So what is safe bribery? It is basically a variant of the bribery problem where the winner of an election cannot worsen with respect to the briber's preference order, no matter which subset of voters who are bribed refuse to follow the briber's suggested preference order.
We study the following four problems related to bribery. The first is dollar bribery is safe. In this problem, we are given a set of voters whom the briber has bribed and the suggested bribe preference orders. So the goal is to find whether the bribery is safe. So in the safe dollar bribery problem, we are given a budget and the prices for each voters to be bribed. And the goal is to find a subset of voters to bribe and the preference orderings to suggest to them such that the bribery is safe as well as within the budget. Similarly, the problems shift bribery is safe and safe shift bribery are extensions of shift bribery. The only difference is that in terms of safety, the voters are allowed to perform partial shift. So these are the hardness results which we obtained. The blue results, which are polynomial time, are obtained through flow network constructions. The yellow result is obtained using a greedy algorithm. The brown results are obtained by reduction from an NP-complete problem. And the purple results are obtained by reduction from the corresponding dollar bribery problem. These are some of the parameterized results which we obtained. The XP results and the FPT results are obtained using enumeration. The CoW1 hard results are obtained by reducing from a W1 hard problem. These are the parameterized hardness results for safe shift bribery. The W hard results are obtained by reductions from the corresponding shift bribery problems, and the XP results are obtained as a corollary to the results for a constant number of candidates.